Teni Mahealani Yamashita. I'm a teacher by trade, and when I moved here to Kauai, and I had met Beverly a year ago at a workshop that was held on Kauai. And from there, she opened up my horizons and took it to another level of my expectations of where I could possibly grow professionally on helping Hawaiians and part Hawaiians with my education. When I participated in the workshop, I was blown away on how much Beverly extensively covered resources that, from what I knew, which was looking at federal grants, that I always was taught that it was nearly impossible to get a federal grant, but she was so concise and she was very detailed on explaining the process on how you can get federal grants to help people, specifically for myself as indigenous people, and that thrilled me to learn more about the process. With Beverly's help, I was able to understand the importance of living in a rural, developed community. Kauai, the island of Kauai, we have, I would say, about 70% Native Hawaiian population that lives on this island.
I'm totally passionate about helping rural people, and I met Mahea and we just connected. She really got it. That's what's exciting for me, is when I see people understand it, get it, run with it, and then succeed to take their organization to the next level.